Most people think Brazilian waxing is just about beauty. But what if it had surprising health benefits too? Stick around, some of these may genuinely surprise you. Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to for honest, health-based content. Today, we're revealing the lesser-known benefits of Brazilian waxing. And don't worry, we're keeping it clean, science-backed, and ad-safe. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice. Brazilian waxing doesn't just remove hair, it also removes dead skin cells. This acts as a natural exfoliation process. Exfoliated skin is less likely to develop bumps, clogged pores, or acne. It can leave your skin looking smoother, and actually healthier. Hair can cause friction, especially during workouts or hot weather. Waxing reduces that hair, lowering skin irritation and chafing. Plus, since waxing pulls hair from the root, regrowth is softer. This means fewer chances of ingrown hairs compared to shaving. Many people feel more hygienic and confident after waxing. It doesn't replace good hygiene habits, but it can complement them. Especially in warmer climates, less hair can mean less sweat retention. That adds to an overall fresher feeling during the day. Waxing weakens the hair follicle over time. With regular sessions, hair grows back finer and softer. It also grows back more slowly than after shaving. This means smoother skin that lasts longer. Regular waxing makes you more aware of your skin's condition. You're more likely to notice unusual changes like rashes or moles early. It's a small but effective step toward better personal skin monitoring. And early detection of skin issues can make a big difference. Brazilian waxing might do more for your health than you thought. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to MTH Health for more smart and safe health insights. And leave a comment, respectful, please, on your own experience or questions. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed with MTH Health.